Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how we can use extrude command in AutoCAD. So this is AutoCAD 2024 3D environment here, and you can change here, then you start. So we will start from the isometric view, and let's say this is a as built shapes are here. So how we can draw this one? Let's say you want to draw a box, pick this box. Okay, you give any your dimensions. Let's say I want 1000 by 2000, and then you have to give height, and my height is 3 meter. So this extrusion will done automatically with the dimension. You can change here in the conceptual, and you will see your box is drawn here. Same way, cylinder here. You can give any point here. You want to give diameter 1000, and height you want to give. This is the inbuilt. You have to simply give dimension and that shape will be created. Let's say this wedge here. Let's say I want to create here wedge here. And you can give the length. My length is 500 and width is 500, and you give the height. My height is 0.5. So your wedge will be created. Same way cone sphere. So now if you have your some specific shapes, so we have to go back to top view, and we will go back to 2D here. Let's say you have a shape here. You can give any shape, and I want fillet, radius 20, fillet, radius I will give 100, radius 250. I want chamfer, chamfer. Let's say I want distance, and I give 100 by 100. We give wrong CHA distance. Second one is also 100. So this is a single line. Now you can extrude this one. So you will go back to this view, and now you have to click here, extrude, select, enter. You can drag by the mouse also, but you have to give the height. Let's say I want to give height a meter, and we change here to realistic or conceptual. So in this way you can create any shape. So we will take another example. We will go back to top view and now 2D. Now let's say you create a line here. Now this is different lines, and I want to get a circle now. This 10 radius, and I want to give radius 250. So very small. Let's say we get circle here, 2 point. This one and this one. We will trim this one and mirror this one. Join this one. So you cannot extrude without making a single line in extrusion. So you have to click here, modify, see this one, join, select this one, and select all here. Now it's single one. You can extrude this one now. Select extrude and give distance, any distance you want. In this way, you can do extrusion in AutoCAD 2024. I hope you understood how we can do extrusion in AutoCAD. If you have any comment related to extrusion, please comment below in the comment box. I will reply you. Thanks for watching.